Hello everyone, welcome to Know It All. My name is Vivan Jaitan and today I will be teaching you a recipe to cure cold using lemonade and a few more ingredients. If you are not a fan of pepper, then do not attempt. Let's start. So, let's start. For stage 1, we need to create lemonade. So, for that, I'll tell you the measurement of 4 people because I have 4 people in my house. We need 4 tumblers of water. Put them all in a vessel or a bowl or anything, and then mix 2 spoons or 3 spoons of honey according to your sweetness level. Then most importantly, lemon, few squeezes of lemon, your choice, and then you mix them up. Now stage 2 spices. We'll take two pinches of salt, that's best, and we'll take a few sprinkles of pepper, like a few crushed pepper, and then we will take chaat masala, a few sprinkles. If you didn't know what chaat masala is a spice mixed, it's mixed of and made of more spices. So yeah, that and amchur powder, which is nothing but dried mango powder. These two spices are available in India, and the red chili powder. We need that if you're a fan of spice. So you keep that in you have to keep that in a moderate level, and yeah, mix this and there you are.